Today we're going to take a trip to the zoo. Just like scientists, we're going to make observations. We're going to look for patterns. What kind of animals do you think we might see? So this will be page 2 of our new Plants and Animals Science packet. So we'll ride a train around the zoo and we'll stop at different places. Each place will have a different kind of animal. If you go to page 2, you'll see numbers next to the animals. Number 1 is next to the parrots, 2 is crocodiles, 3 is giraffe, 4 is seals, and then the next page, 5 is elephant, 6 is flamingos, 7 is bats, and 8 is meerkats. So as we watch this video, feel free to pause it. And what I want you to do is write down 2 words to describe what you see when you see each animal on your packet. That's all we've done so far. Okay, here we go.
Welcome to the zoo. Let's ride the zoo train. It will make many stops. Each stop will be in front of a different kind of animal. Do you hear that train whistle? It's time to go. Look at the other zoo visitors as we pass by. Wave hello. Our first stop is in front of the parrots. What do you see and hear? How are the parrots alike? Are they all exactly the same? Stay here if you want more time to observe the parrots. Otherwise, there's the train whistle again. Let's continue our trip. Look at these crocodiles. What do you see and hear? How are the crocodiles alike? The train whistle is blowing. Time to go. At our next stop are the giraffes. What do you see? How are the giraffes alike? Are they all exactly the same? Let's stop by the water to look at the sea lions. What do you see and hear? How are the sea lions alike? Oh no! What are these elephants doing? What do you see? Why is there a fence behind the animals? How are the elephants alike? Let's stop by the flamingos. What do you see and hear? How are the flamingos alike? Are they all exactly the same? Shh! We're in the bat area. What do you see? How are the bats alike? Are they all exactly the same? Let's go to our final stop. Finally, let's look at these meerkats. What do you see and hear? How are the meerkats alike? It looks like that's the end of the tour. What was your favorite part?